Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Coach Presh. In this channel, we talk about how to make money online. So if you haven't been making money online from the comfort of your home, that means you haven't been watching my videos. I share tips on how you can actually make money online. In today's video, I'll be talking about websites that can actually pay you just to tweet. You can actually earn money regardless of the number of followers you have, be it 1,000, be it 1 million, be it 100 followers. You can start making money from your tweets. And the very first website I'm going to talk about here today is IZ. I don't know if I pronounced the name correctly, but it's IZ. I'll be dropping their links in my description so you can do it to actually check them out. But watch to the very end so that you get to understand how these websites really work and how you can actually make money from them. So the very first one here is IZ. This is one of the oldest influencer marketplace online. You can simply sign up, connect your Twitter account with this particular one, and brands will start sending you offer to tweet sponsored content. You can actually set your own price per tweet or set a fixed offers from advertisers. Can contact you and tell you what they actually want you to do, and the price they are willing to pay you is left for you to actually accept it or not. And the good thing about this one is it's very easy to sign up. It's free. The second one I'm going to, for you to actually register for this one, just click on Let's Connect, register an account, and start making money from this, regardless of the number of followers you have. So the next one I'm going to talk about here is sponsored tweets. This same one, I guess they are also owned by IZ, but they focused on Twitter only. Like the other one, the IZ I mentioned earlier, you can actually use it for any of your social media handles, but this one is just focused on Twitter only. So you can actually create an account with them. You register, just it's free. Everything about this website is free. You set your own price for this particular one too, and you earn money just by tweeting. So what you do here is that you create your profile, list your tweet price, and wait for brands to book for you. So what I like about this one is that you can negotiate directly with the advertiser, so you are not stuck with low offers. Depends on what they want you to promote. You can negotiate with them. If the price you set is not enough, you can increase it. You can negotiate with them. Maybe they want you to do something more. You can negotiate with them here and get paid for just tweeting, regardless of the number of followers. So what I advise you do is, if you have a Twitter account, tweet often, engage with your followers. The secret I'm going to drop here is that there are different Twitter pages that does follow for follow. You can just go there, grow, boost your Twitter account to up to maybe 1,000 to 2,000 followers. And that way, you stand a better chance. So you can do that and grow your Twitter account. Then you start earning from there. The next one I'm going to talk about here is Social Publi. Like I said, I don't know if I pronounce that name correctly again. Social Publi, I think that's the number 3 on my list right now. It's perfect for smaller accounts once again. So even if you just have a few hundred followers, you can get paid per tweet. The good thing is that brands from all over the world are willing to pay you. So you will get paid via PayPal. And once you hit the payout threshold, which is about $10 to $20, you will get paid. So you can also sign up, click on get started. You sign as an influencer. Do not sign as a brand, you sign as an influencer. Remember, all these platforms I'm telling you, you have to sign as an influencer. That way, you are telling the platform that you are here to promote people's product. The product, it could be business, whatever it is, you will get paid. But if you sign as a brand, that means you are going to be the one paying people. So you get to sign up as an influencer. So the next one I'm going to talk about here is Publisuits. Publisuits is another one that actually, but the funny thing about this one is that it's for mainly Spanish tweets. So if you tweet in Spanish, you could actually sign up here and just start making money from it and get paid for your tweet. Even retweets, they can just make a post on their own page and ask you to retweet. If you can retweet for them, you will get paid. Brands are willing to actually pay you for this. So you go again, you register as an influencer on this one. You sign up as an influencer on this one. Click on get started and you continue and sign up as an influencer. So the next one on my list here is Interfluence. That's the number 5 on my list here. This is a large influencer marketplace that works with brand again globally. You can filter offers, so you only get campaigns that require Twitter posts. This platform is not just based on Twitter posts. So what I'm trying to say, you can actually make money off Twitter from this one. You can make on Facebook, could be TikTok, could be YouTube. You register with them. But if you're actually going to focus on Twitter or any platform you want, you can just set your filter it and set your category based campaign post, so that anytime they post a particular request, you get notified. You can bid for it and you will get paid via PayPal. I also made a video earlier on how you can actually create a PayPal account if you're from those countries that doesn't, that PayPal, you're not allowed to create a PayPal account to receive money. So you can just go back and watch that video. I'll also be dropping the link. And some of these brands can actually give you their free products. So instead of them paying you, they can just send your free product to you. So it depends on you. If you like the product and you want to use it, you can ask for the product. But if you don't want the product, you can just ask for your money. Me, I prefer my money. Unless if you want to give me the product for free and still give me money. So that's what I do. So, and the next one on my list, I guess that's the second to last, is influencer. This influencer is another platform that connects brands with influencers across multiple niches. Sometimes they want you to tweet. Sometimes you have to create a whole thread. Sometimes you have to create a cross-platform campaign. This is great for building long-term brand relationships. So if you're actually looking to actually build long-term relationship with a particular brand, this influencer.co is the best website for you to actually do so. So go around it, register once again as an influencer, and you will get money. So you start earning from, you don't take much of your time, just register and you start earning from it. And the last one on my list here is Koli. Koli is for creators who don't mind doing multi-platform deals. You might be asked to tweet, make a short video, or post on Instagram. Their pay is very good, I must say. And oftentimes you have to make multiple posts. So if you are willing to do more than just tweets, you can earn more from this particular website also. So go around, register once again as an influencer and start getting paid. So in general, most of these platforms will pay you if you have a niche based audience. For example, if you tweet about football, or you tweet separately about crypto, tech, or fashion, brands in those industries will know that, okay, you have a particular type of audience. So this is just an added bonus for those who want to register. So you have to pick a niche. It's an advice, so you can do what you're doing, but if you pick a niche, brands in those particular niche will likely pick you because people that relate to your tweets are people that they are looking for. For instance, if you tweet about crypto and I tweet about football, if a brand from crypto wants to actually offer a brand deal to anybody, they have to go for those who are in the crypto niche because they know their audience are interested in crypto. They're not going to come to those who are tweeting about football. Then another thing, if you tweet about general stuff, some of these brands will be like, okay, this one we don't really know where the audience interest is. So it all depends on you, anything you want to do. But me, I suggest you focus on a particular niche and promote it. So if you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell as I share more tips on how you can actually make money online from the comfort of your home. So please like, share, and leave a comment. Anyone that works for you, always come back to this video to comment and tell us the one that actually worked for you. So see you on my next video. Thank you.